Hi guys, this is Mansi. Welcome or welcome back to my channel. This smile you are seeing right now is not how much happy I am. Yes, because a couple hours back मैंने ये same video जो अभी मैं shoot कर रही हूँ, I shot the same video a couple hours back. I did put on makeup, I did put on some nice clothes और फिर जब मैंने उसको एडिटिंग में डाला आई गॉट टू नो कि मैं स्ट्रेट इनटू कैमरा नहीं देख रही हूँ. आई वॉज लुकिंग इनटू द व्यू फाइंडर. सो पूरे के पूरे वीडियो में मैं कहीं और देख रही हूँ और दैट वॉज वेरी डिस्टर्बिंग फॉर मी. सो आई गॉट अपसेट. मैंने वीडियो डिलीट कर दिया एंड देन आई वॉज लाइक यू नो वॉट हैपेंस.
Let's give it another shot. And how's this video without makeup? This video is a reshoot.
So that's my blabbering for the day. Now let's talk about today's video. So I made this video on IGTV about how to make pesto pasta and you guys seem to love that video. So many of you sent me DM photos of that recipe. I loved the response on that video. So I thought why not to make similar kind of video on YouTube. So in this video I'm going to share with you what all snacks recipes I tried in last week. And yeah, that's that for today's video. Also, if you feel hungry after watching this video, you have to rush to your kitchen and make something for yourself. I'm not responsible. This happens with me too when I watch YouTube videos online about recipes and food. So yeah, that being said, let's go get started with this video. So the first thing that I made was masala papad. For that I cut up some onions, tomatoes and coriander. Then simply I sauteed the veggies with salt in it. Side by side I roasted the papad. And finally I placed all the veggies onto the papad and garnished it with coriander. For the next recipe we have tandoor momos. For that I took cabbage and onion into a bowl, added some black pepper powder, added salt and the stuffing was ready. Now to make the base of the momo I made dough out of maida and then made circle like so. And added the stuffing and give it a shape of momos. Then simply fried them, and by the time my mom was frying them, I made tandoor marination, for which I took some gram flour, added curd, added salt, red chili powder, coriander powder, some kasuri methi, amchur powder, a little bit of pav bhaji masala and coriander. Mixed it well, and to get this consistency I added some dahi and lastly added the garlic and chili paste. Now I added 3 tablespoons of hot oil and mixed it well. Now I added momos to the tandoor marination and took a hot pan and flipped the momos with splash of oil. After checking it from both the sides, my momos were ready to be served. For the next recipe, we have rava dosa. It is literally 15 minutes recipe and it tastes so delicious. For that, I took a bowl, added rice flour, maida, gram flour, some suji, pinch of sugar, salt, hing, chilies and some curry patta, or you can say curry leaves. I mixed them and added water to get a consistency like this. Now I kept it aside for 10 minutes and then added 6 times of water than the actual consistency. Now I took a hot dosa pan and pour the batter. And there you go, my dosa is ready. I had to include Maggi because it is my favorite. For chili Maggi, I simply boiled the Maggi and added chili into it. Now the procedure for making Maggi is the same. You just have to add masala and let it cook, and then you have a chili Maggi ready. I added some olives for garnishing, and that's that. For the fifth and final recipe, I took a bowl of mambara, added onion, chilies, tomatoes and coriander. Added save, salt, lemon, ketchup, crushed khakra for that crunch. You can add puri as well. And give it a nice mix. And yeah, that's it for the bale. And yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.